Assalamualaikum and hi, good day. I am Zaila binti Buang with the metric number 7404011358320001. Today we'll present task for subject HDPS3603 Early Science for Children. And today I will demonstrate a teaching lesson in a topic of solubility, what dissolves in water. Okay, this lesson will be taught to preschool Anggrek at SK Putrajaya, okay, on Monday, 4th of July 2022 for 30 minutes lesson. This class consists of 25 6 years old children, and the subject will be taught is early science with the topic solubility, what dissolves in water. Alright, learning materials that to be used in this lesson is 5 transparent containers, 5 spoons, water, salt, sugar, Milo, pepper, and cooking oil. Alright, to continue with this lesson, I've selected the KSPK content standard of SA 4.1, which is to investigate attributes of material, with the learning standard SA 4.1.3 to investigate materials that dissolve in water. By the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to, first, identify dissolved and undissolved materials in water and categorize dissolved and undissolved materials in water. Okay, for induction set, I will show a video of a solubility song. Then I will let the children see and hear, watch the video for this solubility song, and the next round to let them sing along the song. Okay, after singing, listening to the song, watching the video, then I move to a pre-lesson. Alright children, now teacher has 5 stations for you to actually carry out your lesson after this. Okay, so I have a station called the salt station, the pepper station, the sugar station, and the oil station. Also, last but not least, of Milo station. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stations altogether, and at all 5 stations, teacher will provide you with water, container of water, and also spoon. Now teacher will divide all the 25 of you into 5 groups. Each group contains of 5 members. So now, let's see, group A, 5 of you move to the salt group. Okay, another 5 of you, group B, move to the pepper stations. Another 5 move to Milo stations. Another 5 move to oil stations, and the last 5 move to the sugar stations. Now see what we will do next. Okay. See? So this is the station that what I meant, okay? What teacher meant. Cooking oil station, salt station, sugar station, Milo station, and pepper station. Cooking oil, salt, sugar, Milo. Yeah, okay. So right now, the black ones represent 5 of you at each stations. So now the aim of your activity today is to see whether, okay, the materials that I provide you, the salt, the sugar, the Milo, the pepper, the cooking oil, see whether they dissolve or undissolve in the water. This is what you're going to do next, okay? You take all these materials, okay, for people in the salt station, use the spoon, take up the salt, and mix it water. Mix it with water. Stir it well and see whether it dissolves or not in water. Meaning dissolve, disappear or not in the water. If it disappear in the water, means it dissolve in the water. Next, for people at the pepper station, do the same. Use the spoon, take the pepper, put it in the water, mix it well, and see whether it dissolve or undissolve when you stir it in water. Also the same with people at the Milo station. Use the spoon and take the Milo powder, pour it into the water, stir it well and see whether it dissolve or undissolve when you stir it in water. Same to do with the sugar. Use the spoon, take the sugar, pour into the container and stir. See whether it dissolve or undissolve in water. Last but not least, the oil station. The same thing. Use the spoon, take some oil, pour in the water and stir. See whether it is actually dissolved or undissolved in the water. So all the 5 stations has their role and follow the instructions that teacher have given you just now. So after you have finished, record it into the dissolved and undissolved chart. Okay. Let's say people in the salt station. After you pour the salt into the water and stir, if you find it disappear, means it dissolved in the water. So you write it salt, dissolve. In the dissolve, this is where you categorize the materials, whether it is dissolved or undissolved in water. Alright? Finally, share the answers with friends in the classroom. Okay? Happy? Right. Everybody share. Now, lastly, we close our lesson by singing again the solubility song. Alright? Are you happy now? So, teacher, suppose we have actually get the result already. So, we know that salt, sugar, and Milo powder is actually dissolved in water, whereby the cooking oil and the pepper are dissolved in water. Does everybody get the result? Yes? Good. Excellent. So, later on, teacher will give sweets for everyone. Okay? So, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you very much. Enjoy, everybody. Bye.